Hello! Listen up, everybody. A revolutionary wood-burning stove. Its name is MCS. Over 40 years of fire and steel, watching the flame, keeping it real. A craftsman called Hello, she true. Handmade soul in everything he do. Compact size but powerful heat. Simple design, so clean and neat. Feel the warmth of iron inside. Cooking magic, full of pride. Made in Japan and the USA. Patented power all the way. One more time, brothers and sisters, I say. Patented in the USA and Japan today. Chimney and hopper all in one. Side table too and the work is done. Foldable legs ready to go. Easy carry for the outdoor show. Small but amazing, don't you sleep. Triple combustion running deep. Fast ignition, fire so high. Clean burn rising to the sky. Eco-friendly vibration flow. Natural flame with a gentle glow. Less smoke rising, sky stays clean. Future energy, green machine. Use the upper wood chip fire. Burn it higher and higher and higher. Smart inside, the system flow. Clean combustion makes it go. Cook on top, feel the heat. Bake your pizza, bread so sweet. Draw of it just like home. Camping nights feel like you're not alone. Tailgate party everywhere. Friends together,